Hello everyone, welcome back to Analyst Sultan. In today's video, I will walk you through the step-by-step process of tracking from submission in Ninja prompts with Google Analytics 4 using Google Tag Manager. If you are managing lead or tracking conversion settings up, this kind of tracking is essential to gain valuable insight. So whether you are new to analytics or just want to reliable method for from tracking, this tutorial will get you set up and ready to go. This is my demo website. I want to track this from. I already set up this Ninja from. So firstly, I need to go Google Tag Manager web container. This is my Google Tag Manager web container. I already set up Google Tag for connect our website. So firstly, need to click new, then find out custom HTML. I need to set up a listener code for Ninja from tagging. So copy this code. Firstly, need to copy this code. This is Ninja tracking listener code. So paste this code here, then trigger all pages, then give a name for this listener code, Ninja listener code, then click save. Our Ninja listener code setup done, then click again preview, then copy your from link, then paste here, then click connect. Then fill up this form, then type your message. This is the test message. Then click submit. If you see your Google Tag Assistant, you will find this event Ninja from submission success. So I need to create some variables for from ID, email, phone number, your message. So go back to your Google Tag Manager web container, then click on new. Then find out Google Analytics, then click on Google Analytics GA4 event, then need to measurement by ID. I already create a measurement ID constant variable. So where we find out constant variable, then click again plus sign, then GA4 measurement constant variable. Google tag found in this container, then need to give a event name. So where we find out event name, Ninja from submission. This is the event name. You can give another name as you wish. Then submit here. Then need some event parameter. So what type of event need from ID. So copy this from ID. Then paste here. Then create a data layer variable. So click plus sign. Then find out data layer variable. Then paste here. Then DLB variable name. Then again back to my Google Docs and then need name, then email. How do we find out? Firstly need name, then email, then phone number, then your message. So phone, your message. So need to create name variables. So where we find out name variables? Firstly need inputs, then name. So go back to my Google web container, then click again plus sign. I want to create a data layer variable for name. So firstly need paste input, then name. Variables name, DLB name. Then click save. Then need to create variable for email. So click again plus sign, then find out data layer variable, then go back to my Google Tag Assistant. Then firstly need to inputs, then paste, then then dot, then email. need to variables name, email, then click save. Need to create variable for phone number. So firstly need to inputs, then phone. So click plus sign, then find out data layer variable, then copy phone, then paste here, dot, paste here, then given the variable's name, then click save. Then need to create a message variable. So copy this message variables. Then firstly need inputs, then message variable, then your message. Firstly need inputs dot, sorry, input dot your message. Then need the variable's name, then click save. Or event parameter create done. I need to create a triggers for Ninja from tagging. So find out custom event, then copy this event name, then paste here, then give the variable's name, Ninja from triggers, then click save. Then need to tag name, Ninja from tag, then click save. On Ninja from tagging setup done, I need to click preview button. This is our Ninja form. I need to submit, fill up this form, then click again submit. Test message, then click submit. Your form has been successfully submitted. If I check our Google Tech Assistant debug view, or all of from already fired. If I click Google Analytics 4, we will see that our Ninja from submission successfully. We will find out phone name, phone number, message, everything is here. So our setup is perfectly okay. Thanks for following along. I hope this tutorial has made settings up Ninja from tagging with Google Analytics 4 using much simpler. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification if you found this video helpful. It's really helps support these channels and keep you update on new videos. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment below or reach out to me via WhatsApp or LinkedIn. See you in the next video.